content creators. Should you take free products in exchange for your hard work, your videos, your posts and stuff like that? Oh man, we got to talk about this one. Let's get into it. Hey, yo, what up, y'all? Tight Shirts here, Warfield, back in the building. Hey, I hope you're having a good day so far. If this is your first time here, a fat welcome to you. And if you're part of the family, part of the squad, and you came back, welcome back. I'm so happy to see your face. Before we move forward, do me a favor. Like the video and then drop your like number below. Now also, before we move forward, I gotta let you know, since this is gonna be like a creator type episode, I'm talking to my creatives out there. I've partnered up with Epidemic Sound to bring y'all this video. The reason I've done that is because number one, I use Epidemic Sound. Number two, as a creator, no matter what platform you're using, one of the worst things that you can do is use music that you do not have rights to use. That is the fastest way to get your video work or your post or whatever taken down, your channel demonetized, or even worst case scenario, your channel just taken down, period. This is how you avoid it. Use music that is professional quality, use music and sound effects that are licensed, and you don't have to worry about that. So, down in the description, there's a free 30-day trial for y'all to test Epidemic Sound out. I use it for every video. In fact, the music from this video will be listed down below, and then you test it out to see how it works for your workflow. Trust me, you will not regret it. Go ahead and do that now. Now, I'm gonna blame this whole video topic on my dude, Peter Lindgren, okay? He made a whole video talking about this, and I share some of the same sentiments, but I wanna take it a little bit further. But it seems like ever since he put that video up, actually, I'm gonna link that up there if you wanna check his out, I've been getting hit up with this question a whole lot. Should I take XYZ product from said company in exchange for a video? I'm gonna keep it all the way real with y'all. I might even be sacrificing some brand partnership relationships with this video, but I would rather y'all know the truth, okay? So this is what happens, right? You start to create videos or post or whatever it is that you create, right? A brand might see you and think that, hey, he's a good fit to promote our products, right? So what ends up happening is when you first get started as a creator, you know, this company hits you up and you get this email and you're like, oh my God, this company wants to send me something for free in exchange for a video. And it's the best feeling in the world. Like it's such a sense of accomplishment. Like, yo, I did this company wants to work with me, XYZ. And it all sounds great from the surface, right? Here you go, you excited, you responded to the email like blah, 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 blah. I would love to work with you. Here's my address. Yes, send me your free product that I will make a video about said free product. Okay, now that we got that out the way, right? I wanna dissect what's wrong with that. Number one, if I'm a brand, I'm obviously going to target people who have never had brand deals before, or who have little experience dealing with brand deals before, or may not have any experience whatsoever, because I know if I hit them up and offer them something and they've never got that before, they're going to be very excited and they're going to turn around and make an entire video to help us sell our product. Now, the next big problem with this is you create this video, which costs time, effort, money. I want y'all to start thinking about what it is you do in the sense of time, effort, money. This brand reached out to you, even if you have a small channel, because they like what you did, whether it's with a phone, whether it's with a camera, whatever it was, the brand saw it and said, hey, he or she can make us money. Let's reach out to them. Right now, you create this video, right? You upload it to YouTube. This video lives on whatever platform you uploaded it to indefinitely. So that means no matter if it's 6 months or 6 years down the line, as people search for said product, you made this video in exchange for a product. That company is continuing to reap the benefit. And I feel like the reason why companies do this is because they know that people starting out don't know their value. And that is the biggest problem. Know your value. I'm gonna say that a bunch of times throughout this video. Know your freaking value. My second problem with this, hey, we'll send you XYZ in exchange for a video, is a free product is not a payment, if you ask me. All right, let me break that down. If you're a company and you reach out to me, I obviously need whatever it is you want me to make this video on. I need it. I need it to make the video. So you giving me said product that you want me to review is not a form of payment for me. I need it to make the review. The next thing is a lot of times you might get a company that might say, hey, we want to send you this product. It's a whatever, blah, blah, blah. And it's worth 50 bucks, right? And they want you to make an entire video. Is your time, the amount of effort, time, all that stuff that we just talked about, is that worth only 50 bucks to you? Is that worth only a pack of screen protectors or a pack of ND filters or something like that? Is that worth it to you? And the reason why companies continually do this, because they know that people don't understand their value. Now, it's not always about the money, right? Or is it? Okay, hold up. Okay, now if you liked the video so far, if you didn't do it earlier, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button for me. Y'all don't understand how important that is. If you're a hater, you dislike the video, hit that dislike button 2 times, and that'll be a great time to join the squad. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notification bell so that you get notified when new videos go up. And again, I want to remind y'all about Epidemic Sound. Do not start a YouTube channel and rip music from YouTube or SoundCloud or anything like that. Do it the right way. You don't want your hard work, your dedication sabotaged by using music that you have no right to use. So again, there's a link down below for you to test out Epidemic Sound free for 30 days. Let me know how you like it. Now, should you tell said company, yo, you have to pay me XYZ? And I think this is where it gets tricky, right? I would be lying to you if I said I've never accepted a product in exchange for a video, but I know my value. And the reason that is important is because there are some situations the relationship with said brand is more important than just getting one free product to review. Okay, I'll give you an example, right? There's a company that hit me up a long time ago and they offered for me to, review a little Bluetooth remote handle for a camera, right? I'll leave their name out of it. And at first thought, I'm like, I'm not doing that. I'm not about to put all these hours of effort into making this video for a little $100 and some odd handle. But then I realized this company is a company that I've literally been making content on for years that I really, really wanted a deep partnership with. Not just a, here's a deal, whatever. I wanted a deep partnership with this company. So in that case, it made sense for me to start small with this company. And that first interaction has turned into something way, way bigger and a partnership that I've always wanted. So when you know your value, this conversation sort of changes, because then you can start saying, hey, this deal that this company is giving to me, like this product that they're offering me, is either something that I really, really wanted, I was gonna buy anyways, and maybe I just don't have the money to right now, or maybe it's just something that I'm super interested to create content on because this will help my channel grow, or it's a partnership that you really, 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 really want. Should you ask for money? That's the next question. In my opinion, if a company reaches out to you and what they're offering don't fit into any of those criteria we just talked about, knowing your value, knowing that you've put effort into this, you have to use your equipment, which you paid for, and skills that you built up, an audience that they want access to. If a company hits you up, I absolutely feel like you need to ask them for payment in most cases. Because unless they fall into those criteria we just talked about, you want the relationship real bad, it's a product that you really think can help blow your channel up, or it's just something that you really, really want and you are probably gonna buy it anyways. If it doesn't fit into one of those 3 categories, then why are you making a video in exchange for a product? They want you to review their product. Their product is not a form of payment. They need to send you this product for you to freaking review it. So once you understand your value, then you can start leveraging these different interactions with different brands in a way where it benefits you. That is the main thing, to always make sure whatever transaction that you're doing with said company benefits you in a way where you feel like you are getting the most value out of it, right? Because again, they're gonna upload this video and this video is gonna live on whatever platform or post or whatever. It's gonna live on this platform and continually make them money. You deserve to be compensated for creating something that they're gonna make tons of money on. And you do not sit there and let anybody try to little guy you, or you only have 1,000 subscribers. But if I only have 1,000 subscribers, then why did you reach out to me? They want access to whatever it is you've created, and we have to remind ourselves that every single time that we deal with brands. And again, I'm not trying to discourage you from taking things in exchange, okay? But when you have these interactions, you need to put your value first and then start thinking about, hey, is this gonna help me do this, or is this gonna help me do that? Instead of just being like, oh yeah, you can send me free product, this I don't even really want, but it's cool to have a brand try to offer me something. So anyways, I I said a whole lot in this video. I stumbled all over the place, had to cut a whole lot of stuff out. The basement is all a mess because we still trying to like demo and redo the basement. But I wanted to come to y'all with this message, and I hope that it was freaking helpful in some type of way. If it was, drop a comment down below and let me know. And if there's anything I missed, let me know that also. And I'm losing my voice. So till next time, I am out of here. Peace and chicken grease, Terry Warfield. Peace.